Hi guys, welcome to my channel AVME. In today's video, I'm going to show you an Android touch panel 7-inch car stereo system and the usage and the benefits and the applications of it. Alright, so let's just jump into the video. Guys, so this is the touch panel and the 7-inch touch panel, and as you can see, the colors are quite vivid and vibrant and bright. The screen is quite bright and it's quite sharp as well. For a touch panel that is under 100 pound and that can be utilized as a Android touch panel screen, it's a very good resolution. I believe the resolution of the screen is 1024 by 600. Okay, so on the left side of the panel, as you can see, there is a power button to switch on and off the panel, home button, return button, volume up and down, and then there is an internal mic built in and the factory reset button. Now, most of the Android users, they would find it very efficient solution for their cars. This can be placed in any car, but I wouldn't recommend it installing in new cars. But if you've got an old car, like let's say like 10 years old car and stuff, or even older, I would advise you to get this system installed in your cars or install it yourself. It's not difficult to install this system. But let's just go with the main benefits why I purchased this system for. So number one, I purchased this system for the functionality of it. I can use multiple applications like YouTube while I'm driving and stuff. Obviously, in United Kingdom, you have to follow the rules of touch panel screens and phones while driving. And if you want to use the touch panel screen other than the radio, then you have to park on the side and then use your navigation system or any application, set up your music, and then drive. Okay, I'll just go through the main applications I utilize this. One more thing I want to mention is the GPS system installed in this car with this system that comes with this system is a GPS. And I'll show you the satellite signals and stuff. But I use this system with this Wi-Fi 4G router, which in United Kingdom you can get it from any major mobile phone provider. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just jump into YouTube and let's just check the quality first. As I said, this is an Android system, pretty easy to use and utilize. And as I said, main benefit of using this is obviously using it as an entertainment system in your car, music player, and navigation system. And as I said, I'll go through a few drawbacks of this system. Okay, so let's just play this music right here, this track, and let's just check the sound quality. You can already see the picture quality, and it's quite bright day right here, as you can see, but it's retaining its brightness, the sharpness, and everything. Okay, let me just skip this ad. Also, I've noticed one more thing in this panel. The functionality, the speed of it depends on the internet connections when you're using those applications that utilize or that are dependent on the internet. Okay, so I have got Pioneer speakers installed, which I'll show you, which I'll leave in the description below as well. And I'll leave the model number of this in the description below as well. But as I said, these are Chinese versions. So they can come with the same name or different names, but same panel. As you can see, the audio quality is brilliant, brilliant. Okay, now this system comes with a built-in amp that can host 4 channels, and I'm utilizing those channels for front and back speakers, and they are 50 watt each. Okay, so that's one application that you can use this system for. The other one obviously is to use it as a hands-free system with your phone. So all you have to do is just connect your iPhone or Android phone to the Bluetooth of this system, and then sync the contacts, and then you can start utilizing it as a hands-free car system. Another good thing about this system is the navigation system. I'll show you. You can use Google Maps in it, and you can use it as picture in picture. So on the one side you can use YouTube and stuff, and on the other side you can utilize it for other purposes. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just gonna get out of this application. I'm gonna get in this application. Sorry, let's just start the navigation first, and then it would become in picture mode. Okay guys, so as I said, the second main benefit of this system is using it as a navigation system. As you can see, I'm in Google Maps. You can use any application. You can download it from Play Store, the navigation system application. But with Google Maps, what I noticed is you can use it as in picture. So there you go. You can see that Google Maps has become as in picture, and while I'm driving, I can drag and drop it anywhere, and then I can play my music at the same time. Also, I mentioned the speed of applications that are dependent on internet depends on the internet connection. Okay, so you can increase the size of the screen from here. So this is how I drive. Okay, so that's on the navigation system. Now I want to show you one more application which I find it very nice in this system. The navigation system application. Okay, and that is basically Cyjik right here. And this system comes with a GPS module, which I got it installed right here. Now it's a quite big GPS module, and this is Cyjik. The good thing about Cyjik is you can check a lot of stuff in Cyjik, and I'll show you in a minute. Like, it shows you the speed here as well and all that. All right guys, so inside the Cyjik application you can check the GPS signals as well. So just go in settings and hardware and GPS satellites. So now all the satellites it's catching, it's showing me the signal strength of it, and as you can see right there on the screen. So that's quite nifty tool just built into this system. Okay, into Cyjik navigation application system. Okay, so I'll mention the drawbacks of this system as well. What I have noticed so far, I've been using this system for almost 3-4 months now. So I have noticed what are the drawbacks, which I'll mention after I show the benefits of the system. Now, there is a music app as well. So there is the music app. Guys, so another benefit of using this system is obviously what it's intended to do is the music playback. So it has got an application now. You can play back music via different sources, which is like via Bluetooth from your phone, or you can store the music onto the built-in SSD of this system, or you can connect external USB stick to this system. So now I'm playing this music via this external USB stick. Okay, so let's just check the music quality. Now this is the beauty of this system. It just costs under £100 and it's producing quality audio, quality sound. I'm just gonna crank it a bit. Guys, now I'm gonna come to the drawbacks of this system, which I have noticed during 3 or 4 months use of it. First drawback is the EQ. the EQ is not applicable inside all applications. It's only applicable to the music from the music app. So here is the EQ touch button right here, and you can select different presets like classic, pop, jazz, or you can go to the user and set up your own EQ. But as I mentioned, there this EQ is only applicable inside the music app. So if you're playing YouTube, this EQ is not applicable on YouTube application. So only inside the music app. Hey guys, so the second drawback what I've noticed in this system is the balancing of the system. The balancing is also limited, which I'll show you from where you can go to the balancing. You go to the settings, and when I say balancing, I mean balancing of like routing the audio to the different speakers. So in terms of balancing, it just balances between left and right. You can't balance the system between rear speakers and front speakers. So like, let's say for instance, you want less audio from the front speakers and more audio production from the rear speakers. You can't achieve it. It's just left and right. Okay, so car settings, and here are different settings as well, which when you are getting it installed professionally, they will just set it. If you want to do it a DIY installation, then you can ask me what settings you should put. Okay, and here is the balancing. As you can see, there are different options here. Here's the balance. So the balance is not between rear and front speakers. The balance is only between left and right speakers. So I find it a little drawback in this system. Now another drawback what I have noticed is the touch buttons right here. Sometimes they are responsive, like you can see I'm increasing the volume and decreasing the volume. It's responsive. See, like I'm trying to decrease the volume, it's not as responsive as it should be. But I don't expect much from a budget touch panel. Okay, so these are the main drawbacks I found in this system. Now I'll tell you another benefit of this system I use it for. So I've got two cameras installed, one at the front and one at the back. So while I'm parking the car, I get a better idea where my car stands. So like, let's say if I put my it's a stick shift car. So if I put my car into first gear right here, or like say reverse gear, you can see the reverse camera switches on itself. Now it has got this lining right here in different colors, which gives you an idea where your bumper is. So the red lining means that's where your bumper is, and the blue is the farthest. So you get an idea how far you are from your bumper. And also now I'll switch to front camera. You can see the front camera as well. Again, the red line is representing the front bumper, and then the blue line is representing the distance from the bumper. Okay, so these are the main benefits of installing this system, integrating this system into your old car. As I said, I wouldn't recommend it to get it installed in a new car, because new cars, they come with very good systems, and it's not worth it to replace them. But in old cars where you got a cassette player or a double din normal system, I would recommend you guys to replace it with this Android system, because there is a loads you can do with this system. And you can also do mirroring of your Android phone or iPhone. As you can see, if you go in this app right here, you can see Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. So if I go on iPhone, let's say I'm recording with my iPhone, so I'm not gonna do this. But what I've noticed is I've connected an Android phone and it worked flawlessly. with the screen mirroring, but iPhone had issues. Maybe when they release a firmware update, they will fix that. Now this is on latest Android system. Okay, firmware, as you can see, it's on Android version 10.1.0, and the model number of this particular panel is ZXDZ_01. What I'll do, guys, is I'll leave a few panels from Amazon which are in the same price category, and I'll leave links of few speakers, and the front and back camera. As I said, it comes with front. This is the back camera, and this is the front camera. Hey guys, now the installation part of this panel is not beginner level, it's like intermediate level. If you want me to put a video together how to install this system from scratch, then I can make that video. I can go to the place where I got it installed from, and then I can make that video, so you guys can have an idea like how to get this system installed with front and back camera and with 4 speakers. Now quickly I'll show you the back speakers. They are Pioneer speakers. Again, I got it under £100, and you have already heard the sound quality of it. Okay, so I'll just show you those speakers. Guys, these are the Pioneer speakers. I got it installed with this system, and again, they are budget Pioneer speakers, but you heard the audio quality of it. They are just under £100, and I got the front speakers as Pioneer as well, and I'll leave the links on Amazon in the description below. Alright guys, hope you have enjoyed this short but comprehensive video about this Android 7-inch touch panel car stereo system, which is a budget system under £100, the touch panel, and altogether I got this system installed in my car under £200. And as I said, I'll leave the model numbers and from where to purchase it from Amazon in the description below. I'll leave all the links of the speakers and the touch panel, and look for it. And if you guys need any help with the installation guide of this system, then let me know. I'll also put the front and rear cameras from Amazon UK in the as links in the description below. Okay guys, if you have liked this video, please click on the like icon, share the video, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon, so whenever I upload a video you guys can watch it. Alright, take care, ciao, bye bye.